In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online course with Gumroad. We'll start right from your dashboard and finish with a shareable course page so you can start enrolling students with confidence. First, log into your Gumroad account. From your dashboard, look for the option to create something new and click New Product. This opens the product setup, where you'll pick the right format for what you're selling. When Gumroad asks for a product type, choose Course or Tutorial. This layout is tailored for educational content, so it's better suited than a general digital download or a membership. It gives you structured pages and lesson-style organization that students can follow step by step. Next, fill out your basic product info. Enter a clear course name that reflects what learners will achieve. In the description, outline the key components: how many lessons, the types of media you include, any downloadable resources, and the outcomes students can expect by the end. Keep it specific and benefit-focused. You'll also set your URL slug, which is the last part of your Gumroad link. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your course topic. Now add your course content. In the content section, upload your files: videos, PDF handouts, audio, or slide decks. Use pages to break your course into modules, so learners can move through it lesson by lesson. You can also embed media directly on these pages, like video players or code blocks, so everything is easy to consume without extra downloads. Set your pricing in a way that matches your audience. You can choose a fixed price or use the Name Your Price option, which allows buyers to pay more if they'd like. If you have different tiers, create versions, like a basic plan with core lessons and a premium plan with extras such as templates or bonus videos. Make sure the differences are clear in your description. Add a cover image to make your course stand out. A clean, high-resolution thumbnail with your title and a relevant visual works great. You can even use a short video as the cover if it better showcases your course. Before publishing, check your checkout and additional settings. Add custom fields if you need to collect specific student details, and connect any communities you offer, like Discord or Circle, so buyers are automatically invited after purchase. When everything looks good, click Publish. Gumroad will generate a product page link you can share anywhere, on your site, social media, or in your emails, to start enrolling students right away.